Hello guys, it is a gorgeous day out here on the lot and I'm standing in front of a new Hideout floor plan that is pretty cool. This is the 243 RB and it comes in weighing a little bit over 5,900 pounds as the dry weight. And like always, I'm going to go through some stuff on the outside first before showing you all the cool features on the inside. So at the very front, you have your propane under this plastic casing. You do have the diamond plating at the bottom of your front cap. This does have the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty. You are prepped for side marker cameras, so all you have to do is just purchase the actual camera, and then you can view the sides of your camper while you're hauling it down the road. It just makes things a little bit easier. Pass-through storage, front and rear stabilizer jacks. You also have a power awning with outside speakers, and there is a slide out on the non-camping side. Kind of a tongue twister. So there it is. And then moving along down, you have access to your water heater right here. And of course, this is the exit point to your furnace. You also have an outlet out here, so if you wanted to have a TV on a table, you could probably do that. Your solid steps at your main entrance, which is pretty cool. And then they have a leash holder, which is adorable. They have this paw print on here, so you can put your pet's leash right there and not have to worry about them, getting too far. So I'm gonna start with the very front and work our way towards the back. So your master bedroom is all the way up the front. A good sized bed with storage underneath. You do have your end tables on both sides. This one actually has a laundry hamper that goes out into your pass-through storage, so you don't have to smell your dirty laundry. Closet lockers on both sides with mirror panels. And of course you have a clothes rack so you can hang up shirts and stuff. And there is a shelf that connects, so if you wanted to put decorations and such, you're able to do that. There is also a barn-style sliding door for some extra privacy. You can kind of lock that off. And then you also have a spot for an LCD TV bracket, so you can hang a TV up here. Coming into our eating and entertainment space, you have a really awesome size refrigerator right next to your bedroom entrance. And then you have this really cool looking dining room / sofa combo. So this table will fold out, or I guess you can put it away if you are not using it, if you're not eating or playing like family board games, because this sofa will actually fold out into an extra sleeping space. And what's pretty cool, I noticed this, these bottom sections pull out and you're able to lift these up and use it for extra storage space. So I thought that was pretty cool design. And then on the left side is your end table, so you can have your electronics plugged in with your USB port. But it's in perfect view of your entertainment center right across. So you do have a spot for your LCD TV bracket just up above. And then of course you do have a fireplace that is electric, so this will heat up your camper without using your propane. You can use the campsite's electricity, which is really nice. So if it's a chilly morning or a chilly evening, you can pump that on and it will heat up your camper, or you can just turn it on without having to use the heat. Bluetooth speaker system just up above, and I believe there is, if I can pull it out with my left hand, storage underneath the fireplace. A lot of countertop space right here for additional food prepping area. You do have an outlet, so if you wanted to plug in your coffee maker or your air fryer, you can do that. And then of course you have your 3 burner top stove with a glass range cover, and then your oven. Couple sets of drawers, and you even have a road back. So what's interesting about this is you do have a nozzle that stretches into there, so you can vacuum every square inch of this camper. It will get all of that, even all the way from the bedroom to the bathroom. And you can pull your car up right next to your camper and you can vacuum out your car, which is really nice. And then of course you have your sink. It's not quite 50-50, but I would say it's like 60-40. Cabinet space up above, and then of course your microwave. And then last but not least, my favorite part of this is your gigantic bathroom. So this is a really awesome feature for this new floor plan. They incorporated a whole back part of your camper as the bathroom. So as soon as you walk in, you have your stand-up shower with a lot of room to, you know, get clean and do everything, turn around and stuff. To the left of that, you just have a ton of extra bathroom storage. And then straight across is your porcelain foot flush toilet. And then last but not least, we have our double vanity sink. You have storage all down below, 2 sinks with an outlet in the middle. And then of course you have really pretty mirrors. There is even a vent fan to get rid of that steam and unwanted odors. But that is it for this new Hideout floor plan, guys. If you have questions or concerns, please let us know and we are more than happy to help.